This is a call for students to give up the mindset of colonialism and give inspiration from the roots of our motherland, and there should be an innovative mindset. Through innovation, through hard work, we can make our country a Vikasit Bharat, and for that purpose Goa has got its own peculiarity, because Goa was always under the control of Portugal, and Portugal mindset also we will appreciate. We are not against anybody. Arobhadra Kradavo in the Vishandaga. Let noble thoughts come from anywhere. So the great contributions we accept. But at the same time, slavery mindset may not be there, and our country is a full-fledged country. We will be able to make wonders in the world, and India, before the arrival of the foreigners, I mean Portugal, Britain, French and other people, invaders, we were top in financial field. 23% of the world trade was controlling by undivided India.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.